when you see the black, you know it's gonna be another fire fucking recap.
FLINT finest, the fire. I get it, I got it.
I said the smoke skis gave you almost died from it. Don't act like we all ain't see that, and if you ain't trying to smoke once more, nigga, relax or relapse, cause if I ignite the fire again, it won't be a rematch, believe that, cause when these clap, I smoke black like Leroy doing a recap. That nigga dead, man! That was
And I'm glowing, bossed up and you know it, bossed up and you know it. Never hate on another man, never speak on another man. Better know I'm an alpha male.
What's good? It's your boy Leo Rob on the motherfucking go. You already know what it is, man. You already know what it is. Another fire fucking recap. Yeah, another fire one, man. I've been waiting on this battle. Highly anticipated. You know what I'm saying? The females, the ladies, the women, our queens bless the stage for this battle. We're about to see what it is, man. We got Bad Life, motherfucking Bird, lead them fucking mutants alone versus RMG, First Lady, C-BRi. We're about to see what's popping, man. We're finna get straight to it. I'm giving y'all highlights from all 3 rounds. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give my thoughts on this battle, man. We about to get into it, man. It was a good one, man. Y'all go check that out, man. It was a good one. That's what it is. It was on the Guns N' Roses card, man. Shout out Bloody. You already know what it is, but yeah, let's get straight to it, man. Let's get straight fucking to it. Leo Rob, man. Shelby gang. Speak life, respect life. You know what I'm saying? All that. Tell a friend to share my shit. Push the damn button.
Clear, just so we clear. This the bitch y'all said was gonna beat me? Yeah. You funny as fuck, BRYANT.
Don't excuse my rule halfway. Look, I can't be shook by no halfway crook. Well, I'm a bitch. If she on that type of shit where she's a different type of bitch when she on that typing shit, nah. Instant dismissal, bitch. How your pistols click when the mutants already left with their pistol grip?
You said you queen? But see, BRI, you can never walk a mile in my shoes. These size 7s don't fit on your ass. I'm on killers with me. Say something smart, I'm gonna let them get on your ass. I ain't come to say shit nice to you. Bitch, I'm finna make your heart brittle with glass. These niggas finna think I pop Nicki Minaj ass shots the way I'm finna belittle your ass.
She been on the verge of getting dropped. I'm authentic, you're a mock. I'm killing this bird. I beat on you, really revenge of the nerves. I beat on you, really revenge of the nerves. Ask Mercs, even if I choke on you, bitch, and shit'll still hurt you. I give you the works. You got too many kids to fucking play with me.
Nerves, I see right through niggas. And though my vision is blurred, few shots to peel your melon, let that fruit rot. Now tell me, bitch, you really fucking with Bird. Straight shot. I'm on this bitch brain like clay pot. Quad the chaos, you ain't see this shit coming, it's a great spot. Bagging up bitches, taking them down by the bait dock. Gray rocks around this bitch ankle, she going down like a straight shot.
This bitch, we're trying to get superfluous. This clown hole wanna show with Jimmy. Go to the circus team. This my second plate with the same pen as my serving dish, and you won't circumvent, I'ma hurt you bitch to the worst extent.
Canvassing every lake near. To kill or not to kill, bitch, I'm not trying to create fear. I don't give a fuck if it takes years. I won't stop till I'm in charge of the weather, cause this earthquake flows Shakespeare. Y'all get it? Shakespeare. Man, never mind, I'm so ahead of my time trying to get a little buzz. This flow not even heavy, I'm still in my life. Watch out, man. Fuck big, don't you?
Tell me if this don't sound just like you, but no impersonations, I'm elevated. I read your mind too, extricate, explanate. that shit inside you. Show you why you rather hate when I'm beside you. Cause I'm like a feast on Easter, she just a piece of me. She just a fan, I'm hiding man, they always asking for me. She learned from beat your streets, well I learned to beat the streets. But if she buck, I'll kill her, smoke her ass in the beat.
Hey, okay.
What up?
Every shot I heard from you, discharge, dishonor. If you want to get your bars up, the nigga I'll sponsor. But when it comes to dope bars, that shit like Lamar O'Maury, bitch nigga, you are not the father.
It's too much science to my body for you to be talking tough. You gonna get this iron injection without the blood, bitch. I'm with that shit in my bag with no colostomies. Don't end up with your limbs in 7 different geographies. I get it, I'm winning, and you live it. But you should have talked to the school counselor about these feelings, cause talking shit to me ain't gonna do shit to me, but get you done so bold you end up a moment in Black History, bitch.
What's the matter, bitch? Bird got your tongue? Yeah, shut the fuck up, bitch. I don't wanna hear shit. Just stand there looking dumb, twiddle your hair, pop your gum. Cause the minute you pop off them, bitch, you already know the repercussions. How you gonna function when I do adjustments to cut your ass in half like I was working on the budget?
Bitch, if you step on my feet to tell the Lord my wishes. I wish I may, I wish I might. I wish I pray, I bitch I cry. Cause Lord knows that I'm mad fucking ugly and so far from womanly. So am I gay or does that mean that's a lot to say about the niggas that choose to fuck with me? Hell yeah, I know I'm astoundingly crazy. Personality disorder, cause is it me or do I kinda sound like Jay-Z? I told you bitches, I will be so far into my bag. Break it back. Chill. I told you bitches, I will reach so far into my bag of unwashed clothes and fold you bitches.
I was watching your one little battle. Bitch, I wasn't impressed. You a witty Hollywood bitch acting like you don't know nobody. You wanna know why I'm the queen, bitch? So fucking what, bitch? This my shit and explanations I don't owe nobody. You know what, first? I thought you two the one mercs. But footage don't lie like a photocopy. That shit was like Cough bringing slavery back. Bitch, you don't even own nobody.
Yo, shit. I don't play hoe. The way my mind crafted any Fortnite, you can get your halo. I bring the tech in the street.
Fuck the difference is between me and you.
What?
Bitch, you use what's on the outside to define what's in. As y'all can see, she's an unstable bitch. Did you even tell these motherfuckers why I was no longer your friend? This bitch sucked all that dick, bust that pussy open over and over again, then gon' come to me crying, talking about Bird, he just used me, he just wanna be friends.
Hey, yo, Tom.
What's up? That's me.
Last time I met you, or the first time I met you rather, you was all on live trying to stunt. But next time you go live talking all that suicide, nigga jump. I'm in position to take care of you, bitch. So if she hungry, I will leave this fucking chicken in her soup. And if I catch her in the streets, cream a chicken in her coat. Yeah, I really want my coat.
Salute, ladies. Ladies, salute. Listen, I'm gonna give y'all my input, man. That was all 3 rounds. Some highlight, few highlights, man. There's way more. Go check it out, man. Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all one aspect, then I'm gonna give y'all my other aspect of this battle, and then the winner. My first aspect. What I have to say is, bar for bar, it's a classic. It's a fucking classic, bar for bar. But it's about more than bars. It is. Bar for bar is a straight classic. Bar for bar, each round is debatable. Now, let me get past that. Okay, first round. You know what I'm saying? Bird came out doing what she do. You know what I'm saying? Poise. Her poise is crazy. Her crowd control is crazy. She's a vet in that ring when it comes to shit like that. Her conviction a motherfucker. Boy. And the bars, whew. She know how to, it's like a Cinemax nigga when she on that motherfucking stage. It's like a build up. Y'all remember that sound when movies used to come on, nigga? That's how that shit be when Bird on there. C-BRi, first round. All I gotta say about C-BRi is she's such a fucking lyricist. You know how Mario, she's such a fucking lady. She's such a fucking lyricist. It's crazy. Fire first round, man. Both ladies. First round, I'm giving it, man. I edged the first round. I didn't edge nobody. It's fucking debatable. The first round is debatable. I don't give a damn what nobody say. That first round is debatable. Second round, it got personal than a bitch. The emotions flared. It got personal in that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Second round, I've been seeing everybody giving the second round to C-BRi. It's too much went on. Niggas need to chill in the crowd and all that. That second round was so crazy. Second round. Second fucking round goes to Bird. Bird, you know why? I'm gonna tell you why. C-BRi is such a fucking lyricist. But it's more to it. Like I said, bar for bar, the whole battle is a classic. But you gotta C-BRi, Chloe, you have to learn to calm down. You remind me of Kane when he first started, C-BRi. So what that tell you? Keep going. Get together what you need to get right. But listen, you gotta get that poise. You have to have some poise in that ring, because motherfuckers talking all kind of crazy. You gotta know when to shut the fuck up. Cause I know they didn't hear my bars. Well, you running over like Kane did when he first started. You know what I'm saying? Slow down a little bit, baby girl. Second round goes to Bird. Third round, oh my goodness. By the way, in the second round, C-BRi had a school bar, the high school bar, all that. Y'all didn't probably see how long she dragged that on. That shit was crazy. But moments count. Y'all seen me put this as a status. Moments count. And if you're losing moments by rushing and not enough crowd control for you can project your voice at certain parts in your rap for that punch can hit. So much shit hit to me from just listening. That's why I said bar for bar, it's a classic. You can't say nobody won bar for bar. It's a classic. Shit is crazy. You might can edge somewhere, but it don't matter. It's everything in a whole. You know what I'm saying? So you need to just chill out to make sure you project your voice at a certain time to make shit hit harder. A lot of people didn't hear a lot of shit, even on the video. I had to push it. I had to listen to the battle on my ear. That's how I know bar for bar, this shit is a classic. Shit is on. It's crazy, man. Third round. This the thing with Bri energy. Your energy wasn't just like you was out of breath. It seemed like you were just getting your shit off. No, you can't do that, baby girl. You too dope for that. You too dope for that. I can't wait to see C-BRi battle again. Third round, Bird. So yeah, man. That's where I'm going with it, man. This shit kind of long already, so I gotta kill it. I'm sorry I can't go into depth when I be doing these, man, because these videos take time and they already be kind of long, and YouTube be bullshitting about uploading shit, be taking forever. Anyways, man. So first round I got is debatable, man. Second round, edge is the Bird. Third round, Bird. That's where we're going with it, man. I can't wait to see what you ladies got next. C-BRi. Fucking problem. Like I said, you remind me of Kane. Once you get that together, murder, Bird. You already know, man. Y'all motherfuckers got emotional in this shit though, but it be alright, man. Let's keep it rap. Let's keep it hip hop. Keep the culture going, man. That's how we gonna rock. Chubby gang. Speak life, respect life. Leo Rob on the go. You already know what it is. Tell a friend to share my shit. Like, subscribe. Push the damn button.
Chubby gang, chubby gang, chubby gang. Hey, you ain't got no big dudes, you losing. Walk around around with a skinny dude looking stupid. Hey, you need a big fella in your life for real, for real. We known to lay that pipe for real.